friends, good morning and welcome back. This is Suji from SmileBee. Thank you all for your support. After a SmileBee platform was launched, we received good response and lot of questions on various topics. Hence, going forth, I am going to discuss about different topics that will help the homemakers and the small business owners to run their business successfully. In that line, today I am going to talk about home-based food business. Come, let's see quick 5 points which will help you to start and run a home-based food business. The first and the important point is market research. In the market research, you have to consider two key points: customer and the competitor. Customer, you have to identify who is your target audience and whether they are in your locality. Competitors, who are your competitors? It could be a restaurant, a bakery, or other small food business like you. What is your specialty? It's very important to know what is unique about your product, and that is your selling point. The second important point is the regulatory requirements and license. Now, I want to divide this point into 4 sections for easy understanding. Before starting a business, you have to understand the classification provided by the government and identify your type of business. Whether you want to cook in a small quantity or you want to cater for a big group. You want to do prepared food, snacks, cakes, etc. Food business license is given on the basis of the classification you choose. This might vary from state to state based on the type of food, the risk involved, and your target audience. The next section is training. To continue your home-based food business, you have to have a minimum training. For example, you should complete Level 2 Food Safety and Hygiene Certificate for catering business. And you must have undergone nationally recognized food safety supervisor training for even to apply a certificate. In the description, I have provided the links for the training. It's an online course. You need to pay a minimum fee required and complete the course. You will get certificate and then you can continue your home-based food business. The next important point is changes to your kitchen. It's a premise where you stay and you also use for the home cooked food business. In that case, you have to make necessary changes to the kitchen as per the government regulations. For example, you should have 2 refrigerators, one for your personal use and one exclusively for the business purpose. So, in the link provided below, please go through all the requirements and you can also check with your local council what are the exact changes you have to make to your kitchen to continue your home-based food business. The next and the last division is how to apply for your license. Even though the laws around food business are governed at state and territory level, your application process will go through your local council. You have to call your local authority and pay the required fee, fill out all the paperwork and determine what are the other licenses and permits you are required to run your business. They will also guide you on zoning restrictions, waste disposal and your council charges. Now, you have filled out the paperwork, you have paid the required fee and you have submitted your application to your local council. It will take 4 to 8 weeks to process your license application and if they require any information, they'll reach out to you and all the best for your license. The third important point is logistics. After receiving your food license, the next thing you have to concentrate is on logistics, which also includes delivery option. In logistics, for example, can you cook every day? Do you prefer only cooking on weekdays or on weekends? Can you cook instantly or you prefer pre-book? If so, how many days in advance the pre-booking needs to be done? You have to clearly maintain your calendar and your customers should be aware of that. So it's easy for them to order food on the dates you're available. The next, delivery. As a startup, we prefer to deliver food ourselves, or in some cases we might hire a person to do it for us. Few of them would prefer to do a home pickup by the customer. If you're delivering by yourself, what is the plan? Which are the suburbs you will be covering? That's very important. You should also mention that in your website or whatever the platform you're selling. The fourth important point is selling platform. How would you prefer to sell your product? Do you want to build your own website and maintain it? Or you want to solely rely on social media marketing such as Facebook and Instagram? Or you would like to join an online marketplace like Smilebee, where you will be given your dedicated web store and the separate URL for you, and we will also help you in advertising your product. The preference is yours. The fifth important point is how much do you want to price your product? Or how will you derive the price of your product? For that, you have to consider all cost involved. For example, ingredient used, the labor cost, the time what you spent on the product, the labor if you hired someone to help you on that, or the social media marketing, the paid marketing, whichever you have done, or you have your own website and you're maintaining that, and the delivery cost involved in it. And moreover, along with this, please consider your competitors' price as well, which is very important in the market. Now, we have discussed all the 5 points, that is market research, regulatory requirements and license, and your logistics and delivery, your selling platform, and how to price your product. This 5 important point is very important. Please consider this to start and run a successful home-based food business. If you have any questions on this, please reach out to me at grow@smilebee.com. I'm available. You can email me the details. I will provide you the information from my end. I have also provided the link in the description. If you want more updates on that, please reach out to me. We will see in the further videos with the different topics which will surely help you to successfully run your business. Thank you so much for your time.